With AssistiveTouch, you can customize how you navigate and use your iPhone or iPad, whether that's replacing a button press with a gesture or returning to the home screen with a tap instead of a swipe. Here's how. We'll show you how to turn on and use AssistiveTouch, and then how to customize it. Let's start by turning it on. You can add AssistiveTouch as an accessibility shortcut or ask Siri to open it. You can also find it in Settings. Just scroll down, tap Accessibility, tap Touch, tap AssistiveTouch, and tap to turn it on. The AssistiveTouch menu button will now appear on screen. You can tap the button for quick access to dozens of different device functions, like returning to the home screen, opening Control Center, bringing up Siri, and more. To move it, touch and hold the menu button, then drag it to a new spot. The menu button will automatically stick to the closest edge of the screen. The menu button will dim when not in use, but you can change its opacity by tapping Idle Opacity at the bottom of the screen. To use AssistiveTouch, tap the button to open the menu, and then tap to select one of the functions. For example, you can now open Control Center with a tap instead of a swipe. Next, we'll go over how to customize AssistiveTouch to fit your needs. In AssistiveTouch settings, you can change how you interact with the menu button and add new functions to the menu itself. You can assign different AssistiveTouch functions to a single tap, double tap, or long press of the button. By default, tapping the button once will open the AssistiveTouch menu. You can also create a new gesture by recording custom taps and swipes, which you can activate from the AssistiveTouch menu later. To customize the AssistiveTouch menu, tap Customize Top-Level Menu. You can change one of the button's functions by tapping an icon, or you can add a new function by tapping the Add button, which looks like a plus sign. Then, tap the new icon that appears in your AssistiveTouch menu layout and select a function from the list. We'll select Screenshot. Then, tap Done. Now we can take a screenshot without having to press two physical buttons at the same time. Tap the menu button and your customized menu will open. Then tap Screenshot. Nice! You can tap the menu button again to select a different function, like returning to the home screen. Now you're ready to start using AssistiveTouch on your iPhone. To learn more about accessibility features, check out our accessibility playlist or click another video to keep watching.